Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is a little off-the-cuff kind of video because I wanted to share some information with you. And in the background, 87 Mustang GT. And I actually installed a Stifflers crossmember and driveshaft safety loop. There's certain things that I've been trying to tackle, like little things here and there, more along the nickel and diamond kind of theme, I guess you can say. And there's certain things I wanted to do this car to help beef up some of the safety things. The more important piece is the driveshaft safety loop. Decided not to video it because there's videos out there for it, but I figured I'd bring this video as more of an informational piece. And in just a moment, we'll have this car up on a lift in the shop here, and or in the shop at work, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about specifically. If you're running a TR3550, Tremec TKO 500 or 600, this will probably be information for you. Now, what Stifflers recommends is actually running one of their cross members with the driveshaft safety loop in regards to the install going smoothly and so on and so forth. Now, something in particular that I noticed with my car in particular, I'm running a TR3550, and it's supposed to be the same in regards to the other two that I already mentioned. And that's going to be where the actual driveshaft safety loop plate mounts to the back of the transmission, and that's actually where your transmission mount actually bolts to the rear of the transmission, right at the tail shaft housing. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get the car up on the lift at the shop, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, and this is why you will probably need to make a decision on your own on what you decide to do. So let's go ahead and get it up on the lift, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Sorry about the hissing noise, guys. Got a leaky hose next to me. But you can see here, got the Stifflers cross member. Went ahead and put a new trans mount on there, but here is the bracket. And there's a little spacer plate kit right here. You guys can see that. This is for TKO style transmissions. Comes with longer bolts and spacers. We went ahead and installed a couple extra washers in here to help space this plate out, but here's the issue. Here's the boss in the transmission. This arm right here hits that boss. So you'll need to make a decision for the loop. You want to just cut this out or grind on transmission boss. I think I'm going to go ahead and stick with just grinding this piece off instead of actually grinding on the transmission. Okay, so the decision is yours. Do you want to grind on the transmission or take a little bit of material off of the mounting plate for the driveshaft safety loop? Stifflers recommends going after the transmission, but as you can see, I just took a little piece out of the safety loop mounting plate, and I feel comfortable with that. I don't believe the structural integrity is going to be compromised whatsoever, but again, that decision will be up to you. And again, it's only for guys that are running a 3550, TKO 500, or TKO 600. T5 shouldn't have this issue, but again, just be mindful of that. And also, you have to buy that spacer kit if you're running one of those transmissions as well, so that way everything bolts up as it should. So that's going to wrap up this video. If you like my content, please like, please share, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content coming to the channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.